Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my main source of inspiration, that is nature. So I wanted to show you some of the views that inspire me every day. Nature has always been my safe place where I could find peace, calmness, and also some magic sometimes. I deeply believe that we are all connected also with nature, so I think I couldn't live far away from nature. It really makes me feel good. Every time that I see a tiny flower or a bee or just a tree leaf, I can't help myself but stare at it in pure wonder. Nature always feels magical to me. In fact, I love to paint landscapes, but also animals sometimes. I really hope that my art can bring you some nature, even if you live in a city or if you're at your house right now. We are often so distracted by the rush of modern life, and it's not easy to stop and breathe and look at a beautiful sky or a tree. It's not that easy because sometimes in a city you can find many nature examples. But I think it's important to stop sometime and look at small things that surrounds you. I mean, look at this cute bumblebee. Even if you had a rough day, I think that a bumblebee can put a smile on you again. So I hope that if you can just go out in nature, this video and my art can bring some to you. I really hope you enjoyed my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what is your main source of inspiration. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.